Hey, this is Julie, and this is Monday, May 18th, 5:43 a.m. Central. Take a quick look at the calendar coming up for today. Nothing is on Sunday that impacted us. Monday, let me put this back to Central Time. Not much on the calendar today at all that should impact us. Tuesday, housing starts, and Wednesday we have our EIA. Thursday, jobless claims, home sales, and Friday we've got CPI, which will impact us. So a pretty light week. So the market could actually go places or stall and go sideways. There's nothing to preclude this market from just sitting sideways. We have an interesting phenomena here. Overnight, price popped up, went to Wednesday's low, value area low, which was also settlement, and stalled, hit it like a flip a dime, and just flipped back down, came back down, and just sort of has stalled on this value area low line and this value area high line. So we're just sort of sitting here right now in this little zone. So we could retest the previous value area high. I'm not sure whether price is going to get back up there or not. I'm pretty much expecting a flush back down to our value area high. I'm thinking that this could be a double top, and the market is going to flush again back in the direction of the trend. So this could be a false breakout, fake out. Of course, if I'm totally wrong on my scenario and price remains outside of the current value area high on my 1:30 to 1:30 session time, or when we open and I change it over to an RTH, the rule is to go with it. This is also one of my setups, by the way, to go long, but the pullback was so low that I didn't take it. And given the double top, I'm expecting a failure and to come back into value. If it breaks below today's current value area low or yesterday's low, Friday's low, my theory is going to be confirmed, and this market is selling off. That will be the official double top sell-off. If my theory is wrong, and this is just a responsive buying coming back in, which is one of my number one setups, I would have liked to have seen it stop on the point of control and resume, though. I did not like to see it break below. So that's why I think this is going to be a failure. But we'll see what the market does. I'm loosely basing my assumption to get low at 67, or excuse me, 63. Below this point, get low, coming back into value. So we'll see what happens coming up. My head and shoulder that I was expecting to see some downside movement, there was the left shoulder. Here's the head, of course. And here was my right shoulder. Totally broke down with another like evil twin sister's right head. And now we've got this other breakout pop up. So if price flushes back down to the value area low today, I'm still seeing this as very, 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 very bearish and expecting a very fast flush down back to this level here. So we'll see how today plays out. If we start getting some upward momentum, and this does break out over 98, then absolutely I'm going to be buying this as fast as I can. But right now, this price action is going flat into a range. So between, I would say, 61.70 and 59.35, we are in another range. Go figure. Huh? It's crude. And I think that we could range forever like this. Pick a high point, travel back to the low point, and just ping pong back and forth between the two. So this could be a new era for crude, which is just sideways flat, and we'll just have to learn how to trade these ranges. So we'll see what happens. Good luck. A light, very light news event week, and we'll just have to play it close to the vest. Coming into the summer season too, we'll have to watch the dollar. If the dollar starts falling, then that's going to be giving commodities in a whole a push up higher. So if the dollar's tanking and I see my crudes now making a move higher, go with it. Buy this puppy. So keep an eye on the dollar, keep an eye on the euro, and trade well.